How to upload photos to TikTok Swipe. To get started, you first need to make sure you have installed the latest version of TikTok. Then, open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this home page where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. From this page, tap on the plus icon in the middle. You will find yourself in the TikTok camera screen. Then, tap on the media section at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the gallery, go to the Photos section. Make sure you have enabled the Select Multiple option from the bottom. Then, tap on the photos you want to post. Once you are done selecting multiple photos, tap on Next. After you're on this page, preview all the photos that you selected. Then, tap on Next. Once you're on this page, you can add a caption to the post or even add a link to it and access many other features. For the purpose of the video, we are skipping these parts. Directly hit the Post button over here. Tap on the Post Video option from the pop-up. Once the video is successfully uploaded, you can view your uploaded photos and swipe to change the photos. So by following these simple steps, you can easily upload photos to TikTok Swipe.